Imagine, like, giving a complete stranger the keys to your house, your filing cabinet, and your bank account, just because they said they could help you do math a little faster.
Yeah, that's exactly what it feels like.
Right. And I mean, that is essentially what happens when you install unvetted third-party skills into your AI assistants. So welcome back. As always, we've been, browsing the AIagentstore.ai website page, just looking for the most practical tools for you.
Always finding the good stuff on there.
Yeah, exactly. And today we're tackling a major blind spot in AI security. So we're looking at NVIDIA's open source project, SkillSpector, basically trying to figure out how to stop the tools you rely on from, going rogue.
Which is a massive vulnerability right now. I mean, we are moving into these environments where AI agent skills just execute with implicit trust.
Which is terrifying.
It really is. When you grant an AI the ability to run code or, edit your documents or read your emails, you absolutely need a guarantee about what that code is doing behind the scenes.
Right, you need to know.
Exactly. And SkillSpector's entire purpose is to scan these third-party skills before they are ever installed or used on your system.
Okay, so let's unpack how it actually does that. Because to me, instead of just a generic bouncer at the door, it operates more like a high-security customs checkpoint.
That's a really great way to look at it.
Yeah, like first, they run your bag through an X-ray to look for obvious weapons. And then if something seems odd, they pull you into a room and interrogate you to figure out your actual intent.
Right. So the X-ray in this scenario is that first stage, which is fast static analysis.
Gotcha.
The scanner looks at the raw text of the code to find obvious red flags. So things like known malware signatures or hard-coded passwords.
The easy stuff to catch.
Right. But I mean, malicious code can be incredibly sneaky. It might hide its true purpose. And that brings us to the interrogation room you mentioned.
The intense part.
Right. The optional LLM-based semantic evaluation.
Wait, so it actually uses an AI to scan the AI skills?
Yeah, exactly.
How does that even work in practice? Like, practically speaking?
Yeah. So the LLM actually reads the code to understand its context and its underlying intent. It asks logical questions.
Like what?
Well, for example, it might ask, why is this simple calendar plugin attempting to establish a connection to an external unrecognized server?
Oh, wow. Yeah, that's a huge red flag.
Exactly. It's looking for complex vulnerabilities, things like data exfiltration.
Where it tries to secretly steal your data. Right?
Yes, or privilege escalation, where a basic skill tries to grant itself admin rights. It also watches for prompt injection, where malicious instructions are just hidden in the data the AI processes.
That is so wild. And does it just know all this stuff natively?
Well, to ensure it doesn't fall behind, it actually queries live vulnerability databases like osv.dev, just to stay updated on the latest supply chain risks.
Okay, here's where it gets really interesting, though, and I kind of want to challenge the design here.
Sure, go for it.
Because, we are usually looking for seamless automated tools on the AIagentstore.ai page. But SkillSpector operates with a very, low level of autonomy. It doesn't just run silently in the background. Developers or security engineers have to explicitly invoke it via the command line.
They do, yeah.
Doesn't intentionally adding friction just, frustrate fast-moving developers.
It does add friction, but honestly, that friction is the core value proposition.
Wait, really? How so?
Well, we are talking about granting AI tools unrestricted access to highly sensitive systems.
Right. Your bank account and filing cabinet.
Exactly. If the security scanner just ran silently on autopilot, people would, just start paying attention to the alerts.
Oh, right. Alert fatigue.
Precisely. By requiring explicit invocation, it forces human oversight firmly back into the driver's seat.
So you can't just ignore it.
No, the developer has to consciously review and vet the code before hitting approve.
Okay, so what does this all mean for you listening? Basically, the days of blindly downloading a cool new skill for your AI and hoping for the best are, they're over.
They really should be.
Yeah, you have to treat this code with the exact same suspicion as an unexpected email attachment.
Definitely. And I'll actually leave you with this to think about.
Okay, Lloyd on us.
Right now, we are the ones manually installing these AI skills. But what happens in a year or two when our AI agents become autonomous enough to realize they are missing a capability?
Oh boy.
And they just go out and download skills from other AI agents entirely on their own.
That's horrifying.
Without rigorous mandatory checkpoints like SkillSpector built into the very fabric of those transactions, we could accidentally create an automated, self-replicating malware network.
That is a terrifying, but, very real possibility to mull over.
Yeah.
Well, to explore this tool and see what else is out there, make sure to visit the link aiagentstore.ai.
Definitely check it out.
We sincerely thank you for rating the podcast, and we'll catch you next time.